All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to bring you the new LG OLED AI ThinQ. It's going to be the 65CX model. We're going to get it unboxed and see exactly what we got here. We're going to compare it to this Samsung TV that we actually just recently got about 2 weeks ago. And we heard that this TV might be better, so stay tuned. Let's see if it is. This is what we're comparing it to. It's going to be the Samsung QLED, the Q8D series. It's called Q8DT. Let's see which one's better, which one we're going to keep, and which one we're going to send back. All right, so we just cut the little straps off here just to save time, and then we open the TV by just slicing the tape that goes right through the middle, and then we are going to just lift it straight up. And there you go. All right, so we got the box off. There's some styrofoam there, some styrofoam on the back here. It looks like this is some part of the TV. Set that down for now. All right, that comes off. Looks like that slides up. The other side, looks like that slides up as well. Man, look how thin this TV is. Oh my gosh, it's like 5 sheets of paper. Whoa, look, guys, look at that. That is beyond thin. Compare that to my hand. Wow, it's like 10 sheets of paper, seriously. All right, let's keep going. All right, we're gonna unveil the TV. There you go, look how thin that thing is. That's the front. That's the back. Looks like there's a little bit of a base here. All right, we'll keep going. All right, TV is out of the box. Looks like that's some sort of a base. The instructions say to lay it flat so that you can put the stand on. We're gonna do that right now. All right, so these instructions on putting the base together, I mean, it took us a little while to figure it out, but just set the base on a flat surface. And then on here, make sure the notches go down, and then they slide in like this. You tuck it in. And you see how it locks in like that? When it locks in, now you know you're ready to put the screws in. I'll show you from another angle as well. There you go. And then if you look, it's gonna say LG. It's upside down now, but that's gonna be facing forward. All right, once you get done putting the base together, then the base just goes onto the back of the bottom portion of the TV. Nice and easy. Then there's a plastic cover here. You can see why the tabs here and here. You just snap that on and then it cleans up the back portion of the TV. There is a film that is on the television. You just peel that up. All right, there you go. And we're gonna plug it into power and see how it looks. All right, the TV is powering on. Looks like it is loading. All right, there you go. First fresh startup. Plus the OK button on the remote. We got that. Looks like we go through some settings. And we'll come back when it's fired up. It does have a virtual mouse, and you can see there it has 4 HDMI connections, and all of them are 2.1 HDMI connections. The LG TV ended up being a really, really nice TV to have and look at and watch. We ended up not keeping the TV, and we returned it to keep the Samsung, only because the difference between the Samsung television and this LG was $600, and for us, we felt like the Samsung was fine. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you next time.